This is event number 47. 4 by 50 meter freestyle relay for boys, secondary. The standing palaro record in this event is 1 minute 42.11 seconds, held by swimmers M. Calianta, J. Arcilia, J. Lavinia, and J. Casino of Calabarzon, established during the 2015 Palarong Pambansa held in Tagum City. Presenting the finalists, Lane 1 from Caraga Region, Codilio Sam Jetro, Kuaton Remart, Kabulit J, and Culventas Ariel Reynald. Lane 2 from Mimaropa, Herrera Lindon Bines, Biere Jello, De La Cruz Angelo Jason, and Zamora Joshua Miguel. Lane 3 from Central Visayas, Tubesa Johan Matthew, Birad Patrick Louis, Chongbian Frederick Yuan, and Veloso Cristante. Lane 4 from the National Capital Region, Chua Jextor Jansen, Jacinto Gerard Dominic, Ilustre Maurice Sacho, and Barlisan Miguel Carlo. Lane 5 from Calabarzon, Casino Jasper, Calianta Marco Daniel, De Guzman Giancarlo, and Arcilia Jose Marie Sebastian. Lane 6 from Western Visayas Region, Duron Giro Mervin, Douglas Earl Jonathan, Clemente Gilfer, and Bitoanon Moses Oliver. Lane 7 from Bicol Region, Hernandez James Peter, Chavez Kurt Anthony, Fulgentes Dinri Ferge, and Chudoro Romeo Renzo. Lane 8 from Davao Region, Anor Christian Paul, Albano John Troy, Andebor Dave Jones, and Rodriguez Fritz June.